The next is ang number 13 yung question. List all pets whose vaccination records are incomplete and show the number of missing vaccinations per pet. Then first, magamit tag select, then kung ano to ang pet ID, then yung pet name, and vaccination count, um, vaccinations ID, as missing vaccinations. Pet nga table, ato rin siyang join sa vaccination records. Ato rin siyang i-group by pet ID, having vaccinations more than 0. As you can see, yung gawas ng pet ID, pet name of missing vaccinations nila para ni Bella nga pet na siya ay 6 missing vaccinations, kay DC 4, kay Upper 6, and so on.